Alright, so we got our 2002 Honda Rancher 350, and we have an oil leak. So I had it running here for a bit, and you can see it's been sitting for about a week. That's the oil on the ground. You can see the oil dripping off the skid plate, and come to find out, see it where my thumb is? It's dripping down there, and it's that shift shaft. The shifter seal is pushed out. So we're going to go ahead and change that. Usually, to get a seal out, use a seal puller. This one works good for certain applications. This one works good. But this one, we had a previous repair on this one where we changed rings on it, so it had some blow by, and I'm guessing you can see the seal is actually pushed out some. So this one should be easy to get out. I'm thinking we just use a pick. Probably don't even have to use a seal puller. Probably it'll come out. Yeah, look how loose that is. See, I think the blow by actually loosened it up. Yeah, I could push it back in, but you know what? When you got a seal issue, I just like putting a new in. I'll actually starting to drip. I'll get a bucket. There's the old seal. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna just clean the shaft up, and so because when the new seal, you don't want it to be riding on dirt. Alright, so I use this to clean off the seal area. I got a new shift shaft seal. Honda parts are now made in China, some of them. You could just put it right in the way it is, but I'm actually going to use some silicone just around the outside. This is added insurance. It's also not a bad idea just to put a little oil on the lip and the inside for better sealing. I'm not sure how we're going to be able to get this drove in. You want to get a socket. I don't know if we're going to be able to fit it in there. Just to, so it pushes on the outside. You don't want to push it on the inside because you're going to distort the seal. So I think that's probably, this size would be too, well, maybe it is 3/4. I probably need a deeper well. We'll see how this works. Well, I'm going to get some, not sure if I'm going to be able to get all this. On my other finger, I actually got some oil on it now. I don't think it's going to be critical for this one, but if you got a rotating shaft, it prevents the seal from burning on initial startup. That's not the case here, but we'll just do that for added insurance. I suppose I could lubricate the shaft to have it slide on better, but good, yeah, good thing I got the seal lubricated. My guess is this is going to be, I really don't want to take the floorboard off. This ain't going to be deep enough, is it? No, not even close. I may not be able to get a socket in there. No, I don't think so. Actually, this one went in easier than I thought. So I just pushed it in by hand. You gotta make sure everything's square all the way around. I'm just pushing as far as I can with my finger. I think that's it. I think we got it. Wipe the bottom off here. I don't even think I'm going to spray any spray on because there wasn't too much oil. Most of it just drips right on the ground. Hardly none of it got on the free. There you go. Found the leak and got it fixed. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. I make videos like this often. If this helped you out or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing. Please also consider donating using the link in the description below, which helps keep this channel going. Hope to see you in the next video.